UBER, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. I have done well over 39,000 videos on my YouTube channel. 5 years into the game, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Even with my most recent predictions, man, I've been just milking it up like crazy. In this instance, man, like, yeah, there you go. This is like 3 months back.
So,
Right, this is this prediction right here, and then I had another one which I'm going to show right now, right here. Right, this was made 2 weeks back. Sad part is this video's only got 27 views,
not me.
which is funny.
What the heck would I?
I went from 72 now to almost like around close to 90. Am I correct? Yeah, 85. So that was beautiful, and I'm just looking to take the highs out like nothing else. So if you want to learn how I'm making more than 5 to 7k, 5 to 10k per month trading without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. That's all I have to say. Goodbye.